Okay, hello everybody. Today is December 24. Merry Christmas. Today we introduce our new machine KF94 headband mask machine. You can check headband, not ear loop. Okay, it is very special and a new type mask machine. That's why use the headband mask machine because we already used the mask for 1 year and our ear feel hurt because we used too long time with mask with the ear lobe. So we produce new machine headband. You can see. And you can check the welding affection. The welding head is very beautiful, not square and not round. Is this shape. You can see. And this is KF94. It's much beautiful than KF95. This is nose pin. And this machine use the total for ultrasonic. One is for the outside shape, the valve. One ultrasonic. One is for the inner valve, inner picture here. One ultrasonic, and one is for the first electric headband, and other is for the second headband. Okay. Let's introduce this machine more detail from the mask body machine. Okay, this is the material fitting part. This machine total 4 roller. Okay, our machine use that tension device, you can see. And we have the sensor. We have the sensor test for the fabric. If there is no fabric, it will be warming on the light. And our machine is very special. It's very special for the nose pin fitting parts. We use one motor here. For the other normal machine, here without the motor. So this machine with the motor for the nose pin, it can fitting automatic by this motor. And if they have no nose pin, it will be warning because they have a sensor. The nose pin have any problem, you will know. Okay, this is a correction device. Total 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it can automatic to let the fabric to the right position. They have a sensor, and they have a valve. So the sensor tests the fabric to let the fabric to this valve. So you can see this 2-layer fabric is very correct position here. This is the nose pin fitting part. For the normal machine, the nose pin fitting is because they are power. But our machine, because we use the motor in this part, so our nose pin will be running very good. And if you don't have nose pin, it will be warning by the sensor, by this sensor. Okay. Okay, this is the first mode for the for the mask body out shape. And this is the braid. And this is the roller, fitting roller. And this is the waist waste fabric output part. Okay, this is our touch screen. You can see. Okay, we have English, we have Chinese, English, and Korean language touch screen. We also have Turkish, Italian, Spanish, any kind of language you want. And for this part, this part can let the mask body in the middle position, so the mask won't be moved to left or right. And all this machine, you can see we have many knobs here. This is if the mask body has any problem, you can turn round here, left or right. And this part is adjust the blade to up or down. Okay, this is the fading belt. They have a sensor here. It can test they have the mask or not. Okay, it is very special welding part here. You can see we use this part to get the headband. Get the headband from here to this here. You can see the headband fading is in the sun side. It is very different because normal earlobe welding part, this two fading part is in the different side, one here and one is here. But for this machine, it is in the one side, same side. Okay, we can check here. So when this clip to get the headband from that side to here, and then this clip to continue to get the headband and turn and rotary to the mask body here, and the welding head, and the welding head get down to the mask body, welding the left side to the right side together. Then moving to next plate. Then this head continue to welding. You can check this ultra mold is much bigger than the normal machine because we need to put 2-piece mask on the mold. So our machine used less than 4-piece ultrasonic is 50K 2600 watt. Okay, we can see the finished sample. It is very beautiful and very nice. Okay, and continue use the convert belt to the box here. Also we have, this is our touch screen. Our home page, Chinese, English, Korean language, and the knob. Okay, let's open the box. We use the ultrasonic. It gets ultrasonic welding part, and this is for the mask body. Also the 15K 2600 watt Yachao brand. This is PLC. Okay, we will check how many pieces for motor this machine use. For the machine is most important is servo motor. This machine will use total 10-piece servo motor and 4-piece step motor. This is Hechuan brand. Hechuan brand servo motor is very famous brand. You can see the label. Hechuan. This is the number 1 or number 2 brand in China. Hechuan motor, servo motor. Servo motor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the other one slow motor is over there. For other slow motor is for the belt running. Okay, we can check the electric box. Slow motor, 10-piece slow motor, 1 PLC. 10-piece Tertran slow motor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 4-piece step motor, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 PLC. 信节 PLC 和 transfer motor. Okay, and if you already use the mask machine, you will feel very bad for the waste material, because usually the waste material is output on the ground and too big. It takes too much space. Oh, you feel very bad. But now we design new waste recycling machine. It can run in 2 hours. You just to take the waste roller out 2 hours one time, and it is useless. You just loose here this screw and get the plate down and get the total roller out in the side. It is very easy. Why? Because we use the same tension roller same as this, so it is very easy. Okay, and okay, you can say we have the volume light. If a machine have any problem, like with the nose pin or fabric, it will be volume turn to red light like that. So for the mask body machine and for the mask head bound welding machine have the 2 volume light. It look very nice. And for this machine compared to KF94, it is much small, and the express fee will be much cheaper than the KF94 because it is too big, and not like express fee is very high. Thank you very much.